10 money-saving hacks you wish you knew sooner. Have you ever looked at your bank account and thought, where did all my money go? You're not alone. Most of us are losing money without even realizing it. But today, we're going to change that. I'm sharing 10 money-saving hacks you wish you knew sooner, because these tips have helped real people, just like you, finally take control of their finances. If you're tired of feeling broke, overwhelmed, or stuck, stay with me. Let's dive in. Hack number 1, automate your savings. Before you spend a single dollar, pay yourself first. Set up an automatic transfer that moves a percentage of your paycheck, no matter how small, into a separate savings account. If you don't see it, you won't spend it. Over time, this builds a habit and a safety net without you even noticing. Hack number 2, the wait and weigh rule. When you're tempted by something you don't need, new clothes, a gadget, a fancy meal, don't buy it right away. Instead, wait 48 hours and weigh the value. Ask yourself, do I really need this? What will it cost me in the long run if I spend this instead of saving it or investing it? 9 times out of 10, that urge will pass and you'll keep your money where it belongs. Hack number 3, meal prep. Eating out might feel convenient, but it's draining your wallet. Prepping your meals at home can save hundreds of pounds a month. Start with simple recipes, batch cook, and freeze meals for busy days. You'll eat healthier, save money, and avoid the dreaded "what's for dinner" panic. Hack number 4, cancel unused subscriptions. Go through your bank statement and look for anything recurring. Gym memberships you don't use, streaming platforms you forgot about. Cancel them. You'd be surprised how quickly £10 here and £15 there add up to hundreds a year. Hack number 5, switch to cash. Set a weekly cash allowance for things like groceries, coffee, or fun. When you physically see the money leaving your hand, you're more mindful. This method is old school, but it works, especially if you're trying to break the swipe and forget cycle. Hack number 6, negotiate your bills. Did you know most service providers, like internet, cable, and even phone companies, have lower rates if you just ask? Call them up, be polite but firm, and ask what discounts or promotions are available. You can even mention that you're shopping around for better deals. You'll be shocked how often they reduce your bill. Hack number 7, use cashback and reward apps. Apps like Rakuten, Honey, or Fetch Rewards give you money back for things you're already buying. It's not a ton, but over time it stacks up. Think of it as getting paid to spend smarter. Hack number 8, learn the power of delayed gratification. This is the mindset hack. Teach yourself to enjoy the anticipation of saving towards something rather than giving in to instant gratification. The more you flex this muscle, the more financially confident you become. And the things you eventually buy, you'll appreciate them more because you planned and saved for them. Hack number 9, set a no-spend challenge. For one weekend, or even a whole week, commit to not spending a single extra dollar. No takeout, no impulse buys, no browsing Amazon at midnight. Instead, cook at home, find free entertainment, and get creative. It's fun, eye-opening, and a great way to reset your habits. Hack number 10, visualize your goals. Print out a photo of your dream home, debt-free life, or that vacation you've been putting off. Put it somewhere you'll see it every day, your mirror, wallet, or phone screen. Remind yourself daily why you're making these choices. Because when you see your goals, you fight harder to reach them. Now, let's bring it all together. Saving money isn't about being cheap. It's about choosing freedom. Freedom from stress, from paycheck to paycheck living, from the anxiety that comes with not knowing where your money went. It's about building the life you want brick by brick, habit by habit. I know it's hard. I've been there. But you're not alone. We're building this community, the Broke Escape Plan, because we believe everyone deserves a second chance at financial peace. We share, we grow, and we win together. So here's what I want you to do next. Comment below. What's one money-saving hack you swear by, or one you're going to start trying today? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out. And if this video helped you even a little, share it with someone you care about. Let's all stop wasting money and start building wealth together. You got this.